Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone 13 is on iOS 26 and has enough space. Genmoji needs room to generate assets. Once done, open the App Store, download Genmoji, and grant camera, photos, and microphone permissions when prompted so the app can capture expressions and export stickers. Then go to Settings, General, Keyboard, and enable the Genmoji keyboard. This makes Genmoji accessible system-wide. Make sure to allow full access, so custom stickers paste correctly in messaging apps. You'll now create your first set. Tap Capture and follow on-screen guides to align your face. Upload a clear selfie if preferred, ideally at a 2:1 aspect ratio so proportions stay accurate. Once captured, choose a style preset and tweak skin tone, hair, and expression sliders. These fine adjustments change how generated frames interpolate. Afterward, set background or transparency and animation speed, preview several sticker variants, and save them to your library, with tags for fast retrieval in chats. You finish by exporting and using your emojis. To insert one, open any chat, switch to the Genmoji keyboard, select the sticker, and paste, or choose Export to save as GIF or PNG to Photos for sharing. Make sure to back up your library to iCloud in Settings so your creations persist across devices. If a sticker won't paste or export, toggle full access off and on in keyboard settings, restart the app, and if needed, reinstall Genmoji. This resolves most permission and cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.